What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tactical Black Guy here, also known as Preston. I appreciate you guys joining for another video. I really appreciate all of my subscribers, everyone that watches my videos. I'm up to 10,100 subscribers, so I really appreciate that support. Today we're going to take a look at the Ruger EC9S. Now this is a sub-compact pistol. Obviously it's made by Ruger. This pistol is very cost effective. This might be the best budget subcompact pistol on the market. Now that still remains to be seen. I'm going to do further testing of it, but this is just an unboxing and a first look. So inside the box you get the gun, of course, and we're going to come back to the gun in a second. You get all the manuals. I don't know what this is, but you get this as well. Some more little booklets that talk about the different knives that Ruger makes. Get a little lock, and then you get an extra base plate, and that's it. Notice there's no magazine. This gun only comes with one 7-round magazine in the box. Again, this is a subcompact pistol. 7 in the magazine, 1 in the chamber. That brings it up to 8. The slide is going to be alloy steel as well as the barrel. You got a barrel length of 3.12 inches. The grip frame here is high performance glass filled nylon. You've got these little dovetail type sights. The barrel and the slide finish are both black oxide. You got a width of 0.9 inches, 17.2 ounces. You got an overall length of 6 inches and a height of 4.5 inches. So MSRP on this little pistol is $299. You can find these all day online for around $200. Now I paid $235 out the door. A couple things to note: this does have some safety features. You got a trigger safety here, and you got a manual safety here at the back. Some nice serrations here. This is a double action only striker fired pistol, and again this is in 9mm. And that's basically it in terms of the first look slash unboxing. I'm going to do some further testing of this pistol, and I'll come back with a full review. So that was a first look slash unboxing of the Ruger EC9S. Seems like a really nice budget subcompact pistol. Full review coming soon. I'm Tactical Black Guy, and I'm out. Peace.